Forget what he calls this thing. Sledgehammer, that's it, sledgehammer. Going 1 mile, I hear aircraft. No, that's the RC glider. Okay, right? I was hearing things that wasn't an aircraft. All right, we're ready to go, Steve? Ready to go. In a 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, light. Oh, that's a long burn. I think that thing's breaking a mile, though. That's a sledgehammer. Need a little Peter Gabriel playing when we fly that thing, the sledgehammer. And there's a vent, but I don't see it. There it is. It's apart. We got red, white something out. We got the drogue out. All pads are now safe for flying rockets or loading rockets. How about a raffle? Anybody? A raffle, raffle, raffle. I got 3 keeping my sombrero on. All right, first up.